Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Tiny Cleaning Brush is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle those minuscule yet stubborn messes that larger brushes and cloth simply can't reach, from the intricate crevices of electronics and keyboards to the delicate details of jewelry and small appliances, ensuring a thorough clean where it matters most. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, designed to make your cleaning chores significantly easier. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle even the biggest messes. With its narrow head, this tool effortlessly reaches into tight gaps and corners. It's perfect for cleaning dust and debris from those hard-to-reach areas. This brush is ideal for a multitude of surfaces, including grout lines, windowsills, and sink corners. It's your go-to for detailed cleaning throughout the house. Experience a comfortable grip with its non-slip handle and pliable bristles. Made from quality plastic and alloy, it's built for long-lasting, intense cleaning tasks. Keep your cleaning tools organized and dry with the convenient hanging hole. This compact gadget saves space, making it perfect for any home. Looking for a practical gift? This cleaning brush is an excellent choice for anyone who appreciates a clean home, suitable for various occasions. What we like? This brush is built with sturdy plastic and alloy materials for long-lasting use. Its non-slip grip ensures comfort, and the narrow head design makes it perfect for tackling dust and debris in tight spaces like grout lines and corners. If you're looking for a durable tool to handle tough cleaning chores in hard-to-reach areas, this is a great choice. What people say. The brush is perfect for cleaning small spaces and crevices. It effectively removes dust and grime from hard-to-reach areas. The bristles are firm yet gentle, making it suitable for delicate surfaces. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set, designed to tackle tough messes. This set includes both a large and a small brush for versatile cleaning. Enjoy a comfortable, non-slip grip while the durable bristles scrub away grime. These tools are built to last and make cleaning easier. The larger brush is perfect for cleaning wide surfaces like grout lines, shower doors, and stovetops. It effectively removes dirt and buildup from these areas. For those hard-to-reach spots, the smaller brush is your ideal solution. It's designed to clean fixtures and other tight spaces with precision. Each brush features a convenient wiper blade. This handy feature helps clear away stubborn dirt from drains and narrow crevices, ensuring a thorough clean. We stand by our products. If you encounter any issues with your OXO item, please contact us for a repair or replacement. We are committed to making it right. What we like? This set comes with both a large and a small brush, plus a handy wiper blade for clearing stubborn dirt. The comfortable, non-slip grips make cleaning less of a strain. If you need versatile tools for various surfaces like grout, shower doors, and tight fixtures, this set offers a comprehensive solution. What people say. The brush is very effective at cleaning tight spaces. It's durable and has held up well with regular use. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Number 3. CiaraQ 8-inch Nylon Tube Brush Set. Never lose a brush again. All 10 brushes conveniently attach to a key ring for easy storage and access. They feature a durable stainless steel body with soft nylon bristles and a protective rubber tip. With 10 different sizes, these brushes are designed to fit any narrow tube or opening. From 2 mm to 24 mm, they reach deep into tight spots for a thorough clean. These are ideal for cleaning narrow tubes, pipettes, lab glassware, and reusable straws. They easily reach into those hard-to-access small holes. Use them for a wide variety of cleaning tasks. They work great as bottle brushes, straw brushes, pipe cleaners, and even for cleaning coffee tools and feeding tubes. Clean with confidence. The rubber-tipped head and soft nylon bristles ensure that they won't scratch or damage glass, plastic, or metal surfaces. What we like? This comprehensive set includes 10 brushes in various sizes, all kept together on a key ring for easy storage. Made with soft nylon bristles and a rubber tip, they are safe for delicate surfaces. If you frequently clean narrow items like bottles, straws, or lab glassware, this set provides the perfect fit for every tube. What people say. The brush is small and fits into tight spaces. It's great for cleaning grout lines and other small crevices. The bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively without scratching surfaces. Number 2. 8-piece anti-static cleaning brush kit. Tackle any cleaning task with this comprehensive set. It includes a wide variety of brushes with different bristle hardness and sizes, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job. Reach those intricate areas with ease. The round handle brushes are perfect for detailed cleaning of components like CPU fans and controllers, while the flat handle brush is ideal for circuit boards. For more demanding tasks, the crank brush offers effective scrubbing power. It's designed to handle tougher jobs, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Need to tackle extremely difficult stains or grime? The scraper brush is your go-to tool for those tough spots, and it's also great for cleaning shaver heads and car vents. Say goodbye to dust bunnies and crumbs on your keyboard and laptop. This kit effectively removes debris, working perfectly with air blowers or compressed air for a spotless finish. What we like? This kit offers a wide array of brushes with varying bristle hardness and sizes, including anti-static options for electronics. Some brushes are designed for fine details on components like CPU fans, while others are suitable for heavier scrubbing. If you need specialized tools for cleaning electronics, keyboards, or intricate machinery, this kit is ideal. What people say. The brush is small and fits into tight spaces. It's great for cleaning grout lines and other small crevices. The bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively without scratching surfaces. Number 1. LEOBRO Groove Gap Cleaning Tools. Tired of stubborn dirt in tight spaces? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed for your home's nooks and crannies. Its unique design effortlessly tackles dirt and grime in grooves and gaps. Perfect for windows, doors, and air conditioning vents. This tool is your go-to for various cleaning tasks. Keep your living spaces pristine with minimal effort. Enjoy the ease of a handheld design. It fits comfortably in your hand, making cleaning less of a chore. Get a pack of 4 to ensure you always have one ready. It's the smart choice for a cleaner home. What we like? This pack of 4 handheld brushes is specifically designed for cleaning grooves and tracks. They are perfect for tackling areas like door and window tracks or air conditioning shutters. If you often find yourself needing to clean narrow gaps and channels around your home, these tools will make the job much easier. What people say. The brush is perfect for cleaning small spaces and crevices. It effectively removes dust and grime from tight areas. The bristles are firm enough to scrub but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.